OCUL has been trending. This is Thursday, the 15th of January 2026, pre market session. The market is going to open in around 5 minutes roughly. Yes, the stock is drawing notable attention in the market as reports indicate that Sanofi is preparing an improved takeover bid following the rejection of its initial $16 per share offer. This development has sparked widespread discussion across investor communities about the possibility of a competitive bidding scenario, with many speculating that other strategic buyers could enter the fray. The timing of the acquisition interest aligns with heightened anticipation for the company's upcoming SOL-1 phase 3 trial results for AXPAXLI, the company's long-acting therapy for wet age-related macular degeneration (AMD), expected in this quarter. Analysts and investors believe that positive trial data could materially re-rate the company, given the drug's potential to transform the treatment landscape for wet AMD, offering a longer-acting alternative to existing therapies. What if the company is withholding or rejecting that bid to ensure that this results, the SOL-1 phase 3 trial results comes out first? Who knows? Institutional activity has also drawn attention with a notable accumulation suggesting confidence in both the near-term trial readout and the strategic value of the company. The combination of potential acquisition upside coupled with a successful SO1 trial has created a rare convergence of market catalysts. Community discussions are increasingly focusing on the possible buyout valuations, the strategic rationale for Sanofi's renewed interest, and the likelihood that AXPAXLI's accelerated NDA pathway could cement the company as a leader in ophthalmology therapeutics. Okay, so this is what we're looking at right now. 6.9 million shares have crossed the tape. Usual volume is around 3.26 million shares. Okay, so based on this 4 hour chart, the extrapolation seems to be suggesting that it might maintain the strength at least up to Tuesday the 20th, even though the stock has since pulled back. So we have been able to gather all the data, the recent data concerning the stock, especially over the last couple of hours. I would say over the last 4 hours, they have been able to gather them, and we have broken them down here using Claude. So what we have is indicating. Let's see what we have. Okay, so we have the price pressure momentums. This measures the angle of attack of the 10 period moving average. This one the 21 period. This one the 40 period, and then this the 200 period. They are all the 10 and the 21 period moving averages are in trend mode. Okay, however, they have negative derivatives. All of them have negative derivatives. I mean, the three of them, apart from the okay, the yeah, apart from the 200 period moving average. Okay, so what does this imply? The stock is now transitioning from uptrend to consolidation slash potential reversal. Shorter term momentum is collapsing faster than longer term. Okay, let's see what we have here. Target structure, only downside targets active. Okay, market grid. This is gives us a range of possible prices, and I think these are probabilities. Probability of it testing 14.38. Let's see what we have. Whether it has actually done that already before now. Yeah, okay, it has done $14. So and it's currently at 14 is at 12.59 right now. 5% chance of retesting that, and 35% chance of testing 12.28. It's currently at 12.59. Yeah, 12.59, 45% next support. Okay. So these are trade setups, but they are not they're not, recommendations. If you apply them, you may lose money. Okay. So let's see what we have here. Sell rallies towards 13.2 and 13.35. Okay, so let's see. This is a mean reversion long. Entry will be between 10.4 and $10.8. Okay. I think I didn't feed this with this news about Sanofi trying to bid for the stock for the company. Yeah. Okay. Well, entry zone 10.4 to 10.4 to 10.80. Your stop loss will be 9.5. You target 11.5 to $12, 55% probability, and also target 12 12 point. That will be second target. Your 12.8 to 13.2. That will be if it retest of 200-day moving average. Is that the case? Yeah. Okay. Something like that. So probability of success 60% if price reaches 200-day moving average in maintenance mode. So just the 200-day moving average is still stable, will stabilize. Okay, oversold conditions will create a bounce opportunity. Key risk: the price pressure momentum of the 10 period moving average and the 21 period moving average reverse positive. Okay, if they reverse positive, then first derivative turns positive. That is what it means. Okay. Abandon bearish bias. Okay, we're not considering that. And if you want, you can pause and consider that. Monitor for catalyst driven moves in biotech stocks, which can override our technical setups. Yeah, we have a catalyst here. Yeah. So yeah, this is this is strictly for educational, not for you to apply, not for you to apply at all. Yeah. Okay, so let's see now. Okay, yeah, that's what's going on right now. Okay, the market has just opened now. It has just opened and it's holding so far so good. So far so good. Not they are not they have not sold it. They have not sold it. They are still holding. They are still holding on to the stock. They're still holding on to the. They're still holding on to the. Yeah, to these gains. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. See what you make of OCUL, and thank you very much for watching this video.